guys, it's Jacqie Crafty. I am back with the She's Crafty mini paper pad class. This is the 4th class. The second time I am using my field trip collection. So yeah, this is a journaling pad. I really like what I came up with last time, so I hope I can come up with something just as fun. I'm kind of regretting my choice of 12 by 12, but I'm going to stick with it because I'm going to cheat a tiny bit. And after I saw the sketch, which is this, I grabbed these off my desk. They were just sitting here. They're the insides of a big background star cut file that I did, or that I used, and so they're actually from a Christmas collection. But I thought instead of hearts, I would do stars. I have all these different sizes. I might even ink them up in all different kinds of greens and do almost a semi-monochromatic layout. I do not have a photo picked yet, so I gotta do that yet. And then I have these papers left over that I pulled out last time, which we'll see. Might fussy cut those guys out. I'm not sure. I don't know if I'll use these. Maybe this one. I might just use these to mat my photo. What else I got in here? I'm not really sure which ones I want to use on this layout yet. I haven't decided because, once again, I don't have a photo picked out. It would be kind of fun just to fussy cut that and have the photo tuck in there, but go the space route more. Yeah, I gotta find a photo. So let's do that. Let me go find a photo and then let's get started. I'm sorry, this is very not exciting for you at the moment. But yeah, I'm kind of stumped on what I want to do. I'm for sure I'm going to use those. It should turn out okay. We'll see what it's looking like. Yeah, we'll see what it's looking like. All right, let's get started. So after I turned off the camera and after I started picking out the stars and inking them up, I decided just to ink them with, I think it was the evergreen, the darker green. I started kind of formulating some ideas in my head, and I really did like the monochromatic idea that I was talking about. So I'm just kind of laying these out to figure out, okay, how many do I really need to ink? Do I need to ink all of them? What are we doing? I don't know if this is technically cheating because these are paper, but they're scraps. They're sitting on my desk. And I just added them to my kit last minute. So yes, kind of cheating, yes, kind of not. So then I've got those ink pads there. And what I love about the mini Pink Fresh ink pads is they technically all come in ready to be ombre'd, if you know what I mean. Like, they're ready. So I looked through my pictures. I found this great one of my son doing puzzles. He's a puzzle master. It's from the school. And I have a goal to get some of his all his kindergarten pictures done. So I was looking at that, so I'm like, okay, yep, let's go monochromatic. Let's do it. And then looking at the mini pads sitting over here, I was like, let's make some splatters. We'll add some interest over here in a column, and we'll do like a gradient. So I started at the bottom with the lightest color, and then moved my way up. And those colors are, let me grab my little pad thing. The lightest is mint, the next one is meadow, then emerald city, then evergreen. So I did that. While I was letting it dry, I'm going to start just backing my photo, and I'm going to back it with random papers from the paper pad. I did a chunk of that yellow. I did the rainbow lined paper, and I just do kind of messy backings, and then I go through and I find some more. I found this one has the giant green arrow on it, so green, I'm gonna cut around it so it looks like the green, and yeah, just have fun with it. And then I'm gonna skew like a bluish one, this one with the lines and the numbers on there as well. And then I decide, let's go through the ephemera and start picking out all the green things that I would want to use. So that's what I'm going to do here, is go through and pick out all the green things, and then I'm going to start layering some of them behind my photo as well. And I really like this layout. It turned out way better than I was thinking because I was kind of stumped. I was like, well, I don't know. One thing I think is funny though is whenever there's these awesome sketches like the one we're using today with the hearts, they're just beautifully cascaded. I can't ever recreate that. I go too far. I add too many and it just looks like a column of stars now. Is what it looks like. So spoiler alert, it doesn't look like a nice cascade. And I think it's just because I go too far. I have an idea though, because I've seen this sketch a few times. It's a Hip Kit Club sketch. And I think I have it saved on my Pinterest boards too for ones I would like to use. I have another idea to use that I would really like to do and actually do hearts. Yeah, and just change the way I layer them up. But yep, here I'm just picking random things to layer. So I grab that hello, my name is. I grab the little, what is that thing called? The little eye seeing thing. The circle thing. My brain is not working, but that thing. And so here I glued down all the stars. I didn't make you watch me do that. And then I've got my photo glued down right there as well. And I really like it. I fussy cut out the let's do this from one of the cards in the ephemera pack. Adding a few more other little embellishments, and there you have it. So green, 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 and it's his favorite color, so it works. Thanks for watching, you guys. I can't wait to see what everybody else does. Join me next time. Bye.